guys, it's my channel. Guys, welcome back to Angelina's World. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make marshmallow slime. It's edible slime and it's very fluffy and cool. So let's get started. You'll be needing marshmallows, some flour, a bowl, and a spoon. First, put your marshmallows in. Put the marshmallows in for about 30 seconds. Break time! Alright, it's time to take it out. Your marshmallows should look something like this. And now, it's time to mix. Pour about 1 spoon of flour into the bowl. And again, mix, mix, and mix. Once you think you're ready, take the marshmallow/slime out. Very cool slime. It's very fluffy, kind of like fluffy slime. Keep in mind that you can still eat this slime. Very yummy. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Please stay quarantined at this moment at home so everyone can stay safe. Oh no, there's nothing left. But wait, there's me. I am the toilet paper.